Hello, baking enthusiasts. Today, join me in the sweet journey of making a delectable homemade cake. Get ready to indulge your senses and spread the joy of homemade goodness. Let's dive into the world of cake making. Step 1. The classic vanilla cake. Our journey begins with the timeless classic, a vanilla cake. For this delicious base, gather these ingredients. 2½ cups all-purpose flour. 2½ teaspoons baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 cup unsalted butter, softened. 1 3/4 cups granulated sugar. 4 large eggs. 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. 1 1/4 cups whole milk. Combine the dry ingredients, cream the butter and sugar, add the eggs and vanilla, then alternate adding the dry ingredients and milk. Mix until smooth, and your vanilla cake batter is ready. Step 2. Baking the vanilla bliss. Now, let's turn that batter into a blissful vanilla cake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. Divide the batter evenly into greased and floured cake pans. Bake for 25–30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. The scent of vanilla wafting through your kitchen is the promise of sweetness to come. Step 3. Whipping up fluffy buttercream frosting. While our cake bakes, let's whip up a cloud of delight, a fluffy buttercream frosting. For this heavenly topping, you'll need 1 cup unsalted butter, softened. 4 cups powdered sugar. 1/4 cup whole milk. 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. Cream the butter, add the powdered sugar gradually, then mix in the milk and vanilla. Whip until light and fluffy. Your cake is about to get its crowning glory. Step 4. Assembling and decorating. With our cake baked and frosting ready, it's time to assemble our masterpiece. Place 1 layer of the cooled cake on a serving plate, add a generous layer of buttercream, then stack the second layer. Cover the entire cake with the remaining frosting, and feel free to get creative with decorations, sprinkles, chocolate shavings, or fresh berries. And there you have it. A homemade vanilla cake that's not just a treat for the taste buds but also a feast for the eyes. Share this delightful creation with friends and family or savor it in solitude. The joy of homemade cake is simply irresistible. If you enjoyed baking this cake with me, stay tuned for more delightful recipes and sweet journeys. Until next time, may your kitchen be filled with the aroma of sweetness and your heart with the joy of baking.